Cybersecurity, distribution, we've heard it all. I got a different question. Show of hands, how many people go to Home Depot or Lowe's? Everybody, right? I don't. You know why? Soulless, never-ending aisles of just people with their heads down. You have no idea what you're getting, where you're going. You could spend hours, and I get mulch there, sure. I go to my local hardware store. You know why? When I walk in, I'm greeted with a smile. There's people that have been working there for over 10 years. They're experts in their space. They're my trusted advisors. I bring my little screw. They go, oh, I know exactly what that is, Mike. They know me by first name. Let's go here and let's get that. What's your DIY project this weekend? What's your wife got you doing? I got to do this. I'm not quite sure how to do it. Here, let's get you set up. It's not that loss of communication, which we see way too much of anymore. The art of communication is dead. Pick up the damn phone and talk to somebody. Walk into a store, smile, and work with them. Understand what their projects are. Know what they're doing. Yeah, I can go into what we do, how we stand, humanity, passion, credibility, customers first. No, let's just take a step back and let's think how business is done these days. We like to shake hands, we like to get in front of people, we like to be experts in our space. That's basically who we are. Ernie, who's here with me, he's that guy who's been with me 13 years, standing behind the counter at your local hardware store that knows every little piece of every one of these solutions that you see on our line card. Not just Ernie, but the 15 other guys behind him. That's what we are, that's what we do. Come on over, say hi. We're old school, we're playing Atari, we're playing Nintendo at our booth. We're having a good time. Thanks, everybody.
You're right.